To do a takeoff on a new count, from the Home tab, select your Count button. The Count properties will open. Give your new count a name. Select a shape if you choose to have a shape. For this example, I'm going to select a scaled count. I'm going to set my length and width 2 feet by 2 feet. I have my color set. Select a fill type if desired. I can specify a folder to store the data in if I choose. Click OK. Now with your left mouse button, click the points on your plan that you want to count. That's all there is to it.